Hello, friends. This is Sukhwant Singh. Today, I would like to talk to you about a great person called Kanhaiya Singh. Kanhaiya Singh ji was a soldier in the army of Guru Gobind Singh ji. He was assigned with the job of quenching the thirst of the soldiers who had got injured. Kanhaiya Singh ji used to carry a big leather pouch upon his shoulders so that he could carry a lot of water and go to the battlefield where the wounded soldiers were lying so that he could give them water. Many of them could take that water as something just before dying. So it was a noble task. And one day, many of the soldiers of Guru Gobind Singh Ji went to Guru Gobind Singh Ji and complained about Kanhaiya Singh Ji. What did they complain? They said, well, Guruji, Kanhaiya Singh is doing something wrong. And Guru Gobind Singh Ji asked them, what is it? And they said, he goes and quenches the thirst. He gives water to not only our soldiers who are injured, but he also renders the service to the soldiers of the enemy camp. That results into a big loss for us because many of the soldiers of the enemy camp who are injured and wanting to drink water, and Kanhaiya Singh gives them water, they get re-energized, they get up and start fighting again with us. So this is something which you need to condemn and also punish Kanhaiya Singh Ji. So Guru Gobind Singh Ji summoned Kanhaiya Singh to come in front of him, and when he was asked that what was he doing this, Kanhaiya Singh Ji stood there with his folded hands and said, yes, when I go to the battlefield, I give water not only to our soldiers, but to the soldiers of the enemy camp also. And then Guru Gobind Singh Ji asked him, why did he do so? And Kanhaiya Singh gave a beautiful reply. He said, when I look at the wounded soldiers, I don't look at them I don't take into account whether they belong to our camp or to the enemy camp, because when I look into their faces, I see either you in them or the Lord in them. So when they are asking for water, when they are in need of water, I am not able to deny. And this pleased Guru Gobind Singh Ji so much. He got up from his seat, went to Kanhaiya Singh, hugged him, took him into his arms, and blessed him and said, you are my true soldier. And from now onwards, you don't just carry water for the wounded soldiers or the dying soldiers, but you also carry some kind of first aid with you. So in one way, we can say that Kanhaiya Singh Ji, if we call him father of the present day Red Cross, it will not be wrong. Kanhaiya Singh Ji is the one who initiated the philosophy, the concept behind Red Cross. Red Cross also, when they are amidst the battlefields, no side ever attacks them. When two countries are at war, and Red Cross people, along with the media people and the Red Cross people who are there to help, are never attacked upon by either of the sides. So this was a short story, very inspiring story of Kanhaiya Singh Ji, which teaches us that we need to see the presence of the mighty Lord in everyone around us. We should not take into account whether he is our friend or an enemy. If someone is in need of something and we are in a position to help that person out, we should always go forward and render that help, because this is what we are supposed to do as true human being. Thank you so much.